Hey everyone, in this quick video, I'll show you how to hide your online status from specific people on WhatsApp using your phone. Step 1. Unlock your iPhone and open the WhatsApp app. Step 2. Go to the settings in the bottom right corner, tap on settings. Step 3. Open the privacy, tap on privacy. This is where all your privacy controls are located. Step 4. Here you will find settings for last seen and online status. Step 5. Tap on my contact expect. Now select the people you want to hide your last seen from. Select the contact, tap down. Step 6. Now your online status is hidden from specific people. They won't see online or last seen. That's it. If you find this video helpful, drop a like. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.